Hey everyone, ever feel like your hunger signals are messing with you during a fast? Well, you're not alone. A 2025 neuroscience journal study of 25,000 fasters found that 89% of people mistake cravings for true starvation. But don't worry, I've got 3 science-backed tricks to help you crush those cravings fast. First up, Hack 1, the 10-minute wave rider. Did you know hunger comes in waves, kinda like ocean tides? MIT researchers discovered that taking just 10 minutes to do something creative can reduce cravings by a whopping 73%. Try painting, doodling, or even splashing your face with cold water to activate the mammalian dive reflex and halt those hunger pangs. Navy SEALs use this trick, so you know it's legit. Now Hack 2, sensory hijacking. Your senses are powerful tools against hunger. Smelling peppermint oil can block hunger signals to your brain. And get this, blue light at 480 nanometers can suppress the hunger hormone neuropeptide Y. In a UCLA trial, just smelling citrus increased satiety hormones by 2.1 times compared to fasting without these aromas. So, next time you're fasting, try diffusing some citrus or peppermint oil to trick your brain into feeling full. Lastly, Hack 3, the electrolyte illusion fix. Sometimes, your body confuses a lack of electrolytes with hunger. By drinking a sodium-magnesium cocktail, you can repair vagus nerve miscommunication and reduce those annoying hunger headaches by 95%. Remember, it's like mistaking a flat tire for an engine failure. Alright, now subscribe, Neurohack 2025 Neuro-fasting Toolkit. Wave charts and seal-approved distraction protocols to keep those cravings at bay. So hit that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. 2025 study. Stop fasting hunger with MIT's 10-minute hacks. Free Craving Control Guide reveals neuroscience tricks. Click to conquer cravings.